Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to get Trello API keys and tokens. Now, if you're looking to integrate Trello with other useful applications, you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed about where to start. But don't worry. Today, I'm here to guide you through this process smoothly, so you can enhance your productivity by connecting Trello with a variety of other tools seamlessly. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, it doesn't matter, as long as you have a browser that can access the internet. Once you have your browser open, head to the search bar and type in Trello API keys. You should see a list of search results pop up. Now, what you're specifically looking for is the link to the Atlassian website. It's typically the very first result that appears, but make sure it says Atlassian to ensure you're going to the official site. This is crucial, because only here will you find the authentic tools and the necessary information to generate your API keys. After you've clicked on the link and arrived at the Atlassian page, you will see an introduction to the API. Here, you'll want to look for the link that leads you to the Power Ups admin page for Trello. This is your next destination in our journey to acquiring those vital API keys. Once you've reached the Power Ups admin page, it's time to roll up our sleeves and create something new. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking on this button will enable you to begin creating a new power-up or integration. When you click New, you'll be prompted to come up with a name for your power-up or integration. Choose a name that makes sense for your use case. For example, if you're planning to use Trello to manage a project, you might name it Project Manager Integration. This way, you can easily identify what it's for later on. After you've decided on a name, the next step is to select the workspace relevant to the power-up or integration you're implementing. Make sure to pick the right workspace, as this will be crucial for its proper functioning. Once you've made your selection, fill out the other required fields. This will typically include entering your email address and the author of the integration. Ensure these details are accurate, as they play an important role in communication and identification. Once all the necessary information is filled in, click on the Create button. This action sets up your new power-up or integration. Now that you have your creation in place, it's time to generate your API key. You will notice an option labeled Generate a New API Key. Click on this and voila! You have successfully obtained your Trello API key and tokens. You can seamlessly connect Trello to a wide range of applications, significantly boosting your ability to manage tasks and projects. Congratulations! You've now learned how to get your Trello API keys and tokens. The process, as you can see, is quite straightforward. It's designed to make sure you can efficiently integrate Trello with your other tools, enhancing your workflow and productivity. And if you ever need to repeat this process or create additional keys in the future, you now have the knowledge to do so quickly and effectively. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to get Trello API keys and tokens. If you want more videos like how to get Trello API keys and tokens, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.